ChatGPT. ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT. ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
Oh, ChatGPT.
So one more question. Hi guys, ChatGPT is everywhere, and today I'm going to find out if it's really true. So I'm out here to ask a few questions, and let's see how people use ChatGPT in their everyday life. So let's get right into it. Hi, I'm Brian, and you are?
NG.
Hi Angie, nice to meet you. So what are you doing?
I'm an architecture engineer.
So have you used ChatGPT before?
I've never used it, but yeah, I've heard about it.
I haven't used often.
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
No, I haven't used ChatGPT.
Yeah, I heard about ChatGPT.
Yeah.
I kind of heard about it, but I didn't use it.
Yes.
How do you think that ChatGPT can be used for your particular stream of work?
I guess it can be useful for me to find solution faster.
Being college students, our assignments and everything has become a little easier.
I mean, usually we used to Google something and then we used to go through a lot of articles, but ChatGPT makes that easier, where it collectively gives the information.
It helps a lot in terms of simplifying works.
For my personal and corporate purposes as well.
I used it like once or twice, check it out, like see how it was.
I have used ChatGPT for my design content work.
You're an engineer, right? So ask any question related to your favorite architect, and let's see what ChatGPT answers.
Okay.
Any question. Yeah, Seven. Yeah.
So I asked if what are the unknown facts about Zaha Hadid, and it said that she designed a shoe. I didn't know that. And she designed a yacht as well. Okay, I thought she only designs buildings. Okay, I am impressed.
So guys, we spent a lot of time trying to find how people use ChatGPT, and we got some nice answers. We also made people use ChatGPT to its fullest potential. But not just that. In this video, I'll show you some insane ways you could be using ChatGPT. So let's get started. Alright, I can hear you thinking, another video about ChatGPT? Big deal. But hold on, this one is going to be different. Today I'm going to show you some incredible ways to use ChatGPT and share how I personally use it to make my life easier and more productive. That way, you can get the most out of this amazing resource too. Okay, let's start by talking about building an entire brand. It can be tough, especially when you're a beginner, but with ChatGPT, it's much simpler. Okay, so I'm going to start off by asking ChatGPT to suggest me a perfect brand name and a tagline for my business. And it's actually going to do that. But yes, be sure that the brand name doesn't exist and proceed further. Okay, now that we've got a brand name for our business, let's take it to the next level with an awesome logo. And guess what? ChatGPT can do that too. And you can do that by simply asking ChatGPT to suggest a creative logo design concept, and it will instantly give you an amazing design concept which you can use to create your logo. Well, this is pretty amazing, right? But wait, there's more. ChatGPT can even help you build a website in a matter of minutes. Let me show you how. You can ask ChatGPT to provide a basic outline to include sections, content ideas, and color scheme suggestions too. And there you go. We have a perfect outline for our website with multiple options. But why stop there? ChatGPT can also code the entire website for you. Let's try it out. I'm going to ask ChatGPT, with the details mentioned above, code a static website for my business. And with just a few simple instructions, you have your very own coding master. Now you can watch your business grow and thrive like never before with the power of ChatGPT. So what are you waiting for? Take control of your online presence and start building a website now. And it's just the beginning, because next up, we'll explore how ChatGPT can take your marketing game to the next level and act as your personal marketing guru. You can ask it to guide you in creating creative marketing campaigns for your business. Here's how. I'm pretty sure you've all been there struggling to come up with a perfect caption for your Instagram post. But don't worry, with just a few simple steps, you can use ChatGPT for copywriting and get amazing caption ideas with hashtags that will make your Instagram post reach to a next level. And the best part, you don't have to be a professional content writer. So let's dive right in. Now here, let's ask ChatGPT to create an awesome caption idea with relevant hashtags for an Instagram post promoting my brand. And ChatGPT has done it again. by providing us an amazing answer. And it just doesn't end there. With ChatGPT as your marketing guru, the possibilities are endless. But here's the thing, the key to getting amazing answers is writing the perfect prompt. Instead of simply asking ChatGPT, write this, generate that, try framing your questions as if you're talking to a real marketing expert. You can use terms like, you are a marketing expert, asking it to create marketing campaigns. You can also specify the goal of your campaign and ask ChatGPT to provide you the necessary guidance on the target audience, key messages, and the right marketing channels to get the best possible responses. Well, ChatGPT never fails to impress us with its exceptional answers. It is literally going to list down everything in detail. Just grab these winning ideas and see the difference yourself. With all of it, did you know what actually drove me crazy? ChatGPT can deliver you amazing scripts for your video promotions. Let's check it out. Now, let's ask ChatGPT to generate a 3-minute video script for a promotional video. And just like that, we have a detailed storyboard to work with. This is going to make our work much easier. But ChatGPT isn't just a marketing genius. It can also be your personal assistant for all sorts of tasks. Need help with your schedule? ChatGPT has got your back. Want to improve on your diet but don't know where to start? Ask ChatGPT for a personalized meal plan. So let's put ChatGPT to the test and see what kind of amazing assistance it can provide us with. Who knows? It might just become your personal best friend. As your virtual assistant, ChatGPT can help you with everything from scheduling to personal and professional growth. Do you want to explore a career in architecture but don't know where to start? Ask ChatGPT for guidance and it will provide you with all the possible paths to success. Let's say you're trying to figure out what you want to eat for a healthy lifestyle. You can just ask ChatGPT for a meal plan. You can specify and tell ChatGPT about your lifestyle like you're a busy professional so that it provides you with a customized meal plan. Did you see how wonderfully ChatGPT can classify our needs and put everything on the table for us? It has created a perfect meal plan which is organized and easy to understand. But do you want to hear something even more amazing? ChatGPT can help you express your deepest feelings to someone special, whether it's a love letter or an apology. ChatGPT can write it for you in the most poetic way possible. Let's try it out by asking it to craft a heartfelt poem that conveys my love and gratitude. Okay, wow. Let me tell you, it's so romantic that even we can't compete with it. Just kidding. That's not all. ChatGPT can help you achieve your professional goals by simply asking for tips on improving your productivity and specifying your needs. ChatGPT has been an amazing personal assistant for us so far, but have you ever thought about letting it interview us? That's right. You can now flip the script and have ChatGPT ask you the questions. Let's say you're preparing for an interview, and instead of endlessly scrolling through the internet for potential questions, you can simply ask ChatGPT, you are an interviewer, and specify the goal and the position, and ask it to act like an interviewer. And you should know by now, you can literally instruct it to do what it has to do. Maybe like saying, ask me questions one by one, wait for my answer, and just like an interviewer. Voila! ChatGPT will generate the list of questions that are likely to be asked during an interview. And if you want to improve your answers, ChatGPT can provide you suggestions for better response. It's like having your own interview coach. So next time you're preparing for a job interview, don't stress out, just ask ChatGPT to help you out. It'll give you feedback on your answers and offer you suggestions on how to improve, so that you can ace any interview and land your dream job. You can even use ChatGPT to compose an attention-grabbing introduction for your cover letter to apply for the job you want. Wait, what if you're on the other side of the table as an interviewer? You may wonder how to craft a follow-up email that'll impress your candidate and make them feel valued. Well, with ChatGPT, you can have a follow-up email template in seconds. Simply ask it to generate the email template, and you'll have a professional and a courteous message ready to send. This is just another way ChatGPT can make your life easier and help you focus on the important things during the hiring process. Now, if you're a student, ChatGPT can act as your very own unpaid home tutor. Whether you're struggling with a difficult topic for an upcoming exam or you missed a few classes, just turn to ChatGPT and ask it to explain the concept in simple terms. You can even specify the level of detail by saying something like, "Explain it to me like I'm a 10-year-old." Isn't that amazing? With ChatGPT by your side, you can be acing those exams in no time. Now, do you have a book that you've been waiting to read but you just don't find the time? Well, ChatGPT can summarize it for you in a snap. With this amazing resource, there are no limits to what you can do. Need a teacher, coach, business strategist, or a marketer? ChatGPT has got you covered with everything. Just keep in mind that ChatGPT's knowledge cutoff is 2021. So anything beyond that, it won't be able to answer. But the best part is, it's absolutely free. And guess what? OpenAI recently launched ChatGPT 4, which is more powerful than the current version. It can even understand images and express logical ideas about them. While it is a paid subscription at $20 a month, it has great potential in education where it can teach a wide range of subjects and personalize learning for each student. And it has got some great reasoning skills too. Now let me show you an example. I once asked ChatGPT 3.5 and 4 a tricky question about a pen cap inside this pouch, which is folded and kept inside this mug. Now I flipped the mug on the table and raised the mug and kept it separate. Now I asked where the pen cap would be to both the versions. ChatGPT 3.5 couldn't understand the question properly, but ChatGPT 4 nailed it with the right answer by telling me that the pen cap is still on the table. It is amazing to see how ChatGPT has evolved over the time to become more powerful and accurate and helpful. So what are you waiting for? Give ChatGPT a try and see how it can change your life too. And that's a wrap for today's video about ChatGPT as your personal AI assistant. So like I showed you in the start, I hope this video has met your expectations and hasn't disappointed you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.